ko na ba?
Six
6
point,
33.
6.4.
6.4, number 33 po.
Okay. 3 bounded, hinanap mo ang area.
The point in zero. Mm,
Wait lang po.
ano sabihin po nito?
Alin? Yung mismong tanong ba?
Maaba.
Ganito po yan. Di ba sabi, find the value of A if the centroid of the region bounded by the parabola, okay, and the line x equals A is at the point of P and 0. So, since manually natin siya isa-solve, hanapin muna natin yung A natin, kung ang centroid natin, ano bang balak mo dyan? Kasi
The
region
center.
bounded, ibig sabihin, hanapin mo yung ano niya, hanapin mo yung area ng region na yon. So, kung ganun, yung centroid ng region mo bounded by the parabola. So, which is si y squared equals 4px and then line x equals a, naglalay siya doon sa point natin which is si p and 0.
Okay,
So,
so,
yun siya.
uh, mm, okay, zero na. Zero. Mhm.
Ang tanong dyan, paano mo hahanapin yung area niya? Parang anong plan mo? Mag-i-split ka ba ng integral? Mhm. Magpapalit lang po ako ng speaker. Medyo mahina po yung naririnig ko po kanina. Salamat po. Wait lang po. Ay, sorry, sorry. Sorry. Hello po. Try nyo nga po ulit magsalita.
Ano po? Hmm.
Hello,
Ayan, okay na po.
malinaw po.
Ako, thank you po. Okay.
Ma'am, so ganda kaya po by Y? DY?
DY, yes. Oo. Pero for the centroid naman.
Hmm. Pero paano po siya mag-DY kung may X equals A?
Paano po siya magiging DY? Then, mag-start ka dun sa ano mo, sa parabola. Di ba ang parabola mo is y squared is equal to 40x? So, ibig sabihin, ay, ano po bang ano nyo? Pinakang tanong nyo, bakit DY?
Hindi ba? Ba't
Bakit DY?
ano magawa po yung kung may X equals A? Hindi naman mga x
Hmm,
y.
okay. Okay. Sige. Kasi ano po yan? Katulad nga nung binanggit ko kanina, ang given ko kasi dito sa problem niyo po, si parabola y squared is equal to 40x, di ba? So, yung isa naman, si x equals a, that is your vertical line kung titingnan natin. So, kung integration naman, gagawin natin siya with respect to x kasi yung x mo is your independent variable.
Okay, so dx mo.
Okay, go. Oo, dx na siya.
Hmm. Mm. From what?
Ano bang tinitingnan ng file? Mm. Kailangan mo ba ng help dyan po sa my first part?
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
Okay pa.
Mhm. Kaya mo siyang binigay na horizontal.
Nasa parabola lang din yung clue kung paano mo siya isasolve.
Hmm. Eh? Wala naman nakalagay.
Check mo lang.
Hmm. 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 dy.
Dx.
Pero dito po, y equals 4 dx. So therefore, kung may binigay po na x equals a, dapat dy. Hindi po po masasolve kung dx.
Masasolve mo pa din.
Paano mo? Hindi naman po ma-express yung x in terms of, yung a in terms of y. So, hindi po ma-dx. Dx na.
Hindi, di ba? Katulad nga nung pinanggit ko kanina. Siya yung independent variable natin. So, kaya, magiging dx tayo dito.
Okay. So, wait lang.
So, kung halimbawa gusto mo namang ituloy, halimbawa magde-dy ka, mag-split ka. Depende sa pagmamanipulate mo. Pwede yan. Anong plano mo? Dx, dy?
dy.
Dy. Then mag-split ka ng region kung dy. Since dy ka, hindi, dapat yung limitation mo magbabago din. Kasi dy ka eh.
Uh,
Mas complicated nga lang pag dy. Hmm.
okay, so mag-iba yung ano. Uh, pero kung y equals 4 dito mo, ba't dx yung ginamit?
Ano yun?
Y equals 4 po dito, ba't dx yung ginamit?
Hmm. Kasi ganito po yan.
That would mean kung x equals something, I should use dy. Not nearly possible.
Ano po yung huling sinabi niyo po? If what?
Dito po sa 9, y equals 4, pero ginamit dx. So,
Hmm.
it's impossible to use dx sa x equals a. You need to,
Hmm.
it needs to be pag dx po, kailangan yung whatever yung side na in terms, yung equals y. So, kung yung x equals a, there's no way to say y equals something. So, how can I use dx?
Kasi 'di ba, pag nagso-solve po tayo, halimbawa, katulad nga niyan, kung ang line mo is y is equal to 4, di ba we have things to consider po para gamitin natin si dx. Kasi ito ang ginamit natin with respect to x. Una, um, ito yung mga condition na kailangan nating i-consider po. So, una, syempre, yung boundary natin, kailangan vertical lines po siya. And then, or halimbawa, functions ni y. Yun yung mga una nating kinoconsider po para mag-dx tayo. Next, depende din po sa pagsisimplify natin ng region. So, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, kung gusto mo mag-dy, doon sa baba naman, hindi sa 9, kailangan mag-split ka ng region kung itutuloy mo siya.
Ano ba?
So, ganun lang po.
On dx, there's how can I express x equals a into something na y equals something? Wala naman pong ganun. So,
Ganito po.
I cannot possibly put it into the equation.
Paano ba yung pinakang first part? Yun ba yung nagiging problem mo?
Will I not put anything? Wala ba siya?
Saan specifically?
Yung x equals a po. Literally wala lalagay.
Mm,
Kasi kung dy po, it's too hard. Masyadong gagawa pa ng real analysis para mahanap yung y per scenario. Tapos kung dx naman, it's straight out impossible to put in x equals a. So, wala pa po siya. Gagawin ko na lang ba siyang limit, upper limit?
kung dx naman, tama na yung ginagawa mo kanina eh. So, from 0 to a tayo. And then, wait lang ha. I'm checking my solution. Where is it?
Oh, baka naman ito yan.
Yung,
Yung gagawin niya.
yung gagawin mo.
Hmm.
Asan yung phone mo?
So, ba?
Ganito siya. Wait lang. Parehas kasi tayo ng ginawa nung una. Nung una nag-dy din ako eh. Kaso,
Pwede niyo po share yung ano niyo po, solution.
sige pa, sige pa.
So, ay,
Ayan. So, doon naman po, di ba kanina? Kasi ang magiging parang ganito siya. Kung dx ka, papakita ko sa yung pinagkaiba before ko isulat. Kung dx ka, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, mag-rely ka dun sa parabola, which is si y squared is equal to 4bx. So, ngayon, di ba, meron tayong dalawang, um, pag kinuha natin yung square root ni y squared, so magkakaroon tayo ng square root of 4px, isang negative square root of 4px. And then, in regards naman dun sa may x equals a, that is the vertical line, x equals a pa rin siya. Then, the x-axis, yan siya. So, therefore, in order for us to solve for the area, yung region, so we can have two area. We can have the integral po of the square root of 4px dx. So, yun yung kukunin natin. Sulat ko po.
Apo. Yes.
Saan
Yan.
po pwede magsulat? Ayan. Ayan, thank you po.
okay, wala siyang nilagay.
Eto, lagay ka.
So,
Ayan.
bakit ginawa pa po yung isang it's a
Alin?
useless pala yung una.
Hmm.
Pwede naman na hindi. Kasi pwede masyadong mahirapan po kung may lalagyan pa na extra. So, nilagyan pa na. Hindi na lang kasi nga. Alam na po yung range. Tapos alam na rin yung y. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Wala po siya nilagay. Kahit yung lang mismo. Yung, yun na po. Kumbaga wala siya nilagay na, ba't may 2? May ba? Ba't ba may 2?
Kasi dun po sa formula po natin,
Sa formula po parang wala yata. May 2.
kasi ganito po yun. Since ang pinag-uusapan po natin kanina, di ba? Meron tayong, asa na ba yan?
Kasi function mo na. So, hindi pwedeng buo. So, kailangan yung positive side tapos yung negative.
Oo, hinati ko rin yan. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, positive square root of 4, tapos isa pang negative square root of 4.
So,
So,
mali
dito naman kasi,
yung below the x-axis. Kumaga pag yung integral po from 0 to a, wala po yung x below the x-axis.
kasi for this part then, di ba y squared is equal to 4px siya?
Mawa.
Kasi yung area niya, nung parabola natin, kung iisipin natin, symmetric siya doon sa x-axis natin. So, pag nag integrate tayo, pag nag-calculate tayo ng area, so, ang mangyayari, meron tayong upper half, di ba? From 0 to square root of 4, PA. And then, na-factor out yung 2 kasi meron tayong upper and lower na hati, nag-slice.
Mhm. Mawa.
Ayan.
Okay. Mhm.
Question pa po, clarification po.
Wala naman pong question.
Okay po. Yun na lang po yung parang maging keyword niyo po doon. Nagkaroon kasi tayo ng slice. Yan po. Kamusta naman po dito sa formula po na nasa unahan? Yung color pink. Ito, yung gagamitin natin.
Mawa. Pwede na isa.
Okay naman po.
Pwede,
Nagets po kung bakit.
pwede na po isang.
Okay. Gusto mo bang i-continue or ako na muna?
Hindi ko lang po.
Okay.
Diba? O siya? Si...
Ano?
Ito. So.
Minawa.
Sige lang po. Sige, trace mo muna. Delete ka na? Okay na?
Mawa.
Ayan, okay na.
Parang ano po na yung carbon copy.
Mm-mm.
Siya sa kabila.
Astig nga eh.
Wow. Ano po parang framed in time. Okay. So, mm,
Solve for the area.
ay, lumagdag ng kalat.
Mhm. Yan na ba yan?
Mm, oh no. Just had an outburst of anger. Mhm. Mm, mm. Should I put two or no? Yun yung question mo. Would it matter? We will see. We will see. I think there should be a two, but I'm not so sure. Kasi baka in the end mag-center naman siya. But yung ano yung the y must be on zero. So I can
Mhm.
take away the y must be on zero. The point is here. So for p I can verify it right now. So let's see kung ano for p a ah ganun. Wait, what's wrong with this?
Yan ba yung total area mo? Yung pinaka-first na part?
Tama.
Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Wait lang.
tap,
Yung P lang yon.
uh, uh, I think so kasi na square bot. So mawala yung ano niya. Yes, kasi na-square yung square root. So mawala yung square root over it. Dapat magiging P na lang. Dapat maglagay po sila
Mhm.
Dapat maglagay po sila ng braille dito sa mga colors. Para blind people, they can see which color. So, mm, last na nalagay. This is so sad. Infuriating. Uh, so, paano kaya? AP.
Teka lang. Yung ano mo, tawag dito. Dapat may square root pa din siya.
Bakit ba? Di ba sa square mo? Okay. So,
Hindi kasi,
ko dito. So, nalalagay pala dito. So, yung reason nalagay ko, tinanggal ko po, may one half. So, mawala rin dito. Dapat mawala yata kasi hindi ba po yung formula para make is squared? Yung mas square the function daw mo.
pero nasa area ka pa lang naman eh. Sa taas.
Di ba yung moment?
Yung, yung 8 mo.
Moment,
8P.
moment of this with respect to the x-axis. Parang this is square lang mo. Dito? Hmm. Dito ba? Okay. So, may X dito dun. Rashidun Caliphate. So, but maybe. That's crazy. That shouldn't occur. So, medyo suspicious yun. But meron pa nila talang P. So, whatever. So, wag mo na yan. Continue ko muna ako. Baka may mali sa somewhere. Mm, four. Another suspicious. So, may iwan din. Um, if you haven't put any descriptors. Yun, meron pala. Uh-huh. Nawala yan. Kita mo? Kita na mo? Yung susulat mo.
Ayun pa, nakabalik na ulit ako. Hindi ko pa po kita yung nasa screen.
Why?
Yan.
Mm,
Pwede pong double click to enter full screen. Hindi. Pwede pong pa-share na lang po ulit. Salamat po.
yan mo.
Ayan, kita ko na pa. Thank you.
Okay,
Ayan, nagka-square root na. Sige, tuloy.
mapapakita. Baka na ano po na, parang self-destruct yung self-shares. Minsan gumagana po parang infinite loading time.
Oo, grabe.
Kasi kailangan ba po to? Is this even needed?
Ano yung ginagawa mo?
Kasi may zero naman po to eh. So, it won't tell anything about the identity of A.
Mm-mm. Ano na, tawag dito. Gamitin mo na yung sa sentro eh.
Scrap. Okay.
Mm-mm. Para mas mabilis.
Ano po siya, is worthless. So,
Mm,
wala siyang mabibigay sa akin na useful information about
wala. Goodbye na.
0 na, zero na naman po yung kalabasan. It could,
Oo, mawala naman din yun.
it could be A, so it doesn't matter. So, how nice. Okay, so maka-cancel to, so maka-cancel to, maging A na lang. Wow. Wait. Paano kaya?
Formula.
Yung the X is P, so that is, the magang mag-load. Over 5 over 3. So that's 3/5. So the 3/5 of A. Ha?
Mhm.
Yes. Okay, 3/5. Ano magsulat? Bagal na.
Oo nga, no, nalaglag.
Pabagal. Hanggang yung kailangan na po yung ganun na movements. 3/5. So, ayun na pala. Wait. Mm, kasi
Hindi ah.
so, it's impossible to find the actual value of A because it's dependent on
Hindi pa rin.
wala akong magawa. So, there is no choice but to express it in terms of
I'll check mo. Basta, okay naman. Mhm. Okay. Okay po ang solution and answer. Saan ka po nahirapan na part? Or nagpabagal na part sa pagsasolve?
Kasi yung wala siyang binigay na example of how to do that. So
Yes.
wala po talagang there's no way of knowing ano ba yung gagawin ng situation na yun.
Mm-mm. Kasi ang ginagawa niya, sa na-observe ko sa kanya, binibigay niya sa yung mga clue na hindi masyadong halata doon mismo sa loob ng mga problem.
So ito wala nga pong clue. So kung isipin na ba, okay, so it's impossible kung yung sa unang problem I can't use dx. I can't use dy. So therefore, in this problem, I must use dy, which is a red herring kasi it won't lead anywhere. Masisira na lang po
Mm-mm.
yung kanya pag nalalaman nyo na it's impossible to solve.
Oo. Pero ano, tinignan ko rin yung DY na yan. Wala, mag-i-split-split lang din. And then,
I don't think possible.
gawa kasi nung symmetry,
You would need
mag-iiba.
you would need this to be yung what's this? Yung limits po of integration to be a function of p, which would complicate things unnecessarily.
Mag-iiba din ikaw ng limit pag nag-DY ka.
Oh,
Mag-i-square root of 4p something.
magiging function of something of siya p. So
Mm-mm.
the theorem of Pappus. Imagine being named Pappus. Anyway, so um, semicircle and a diameter. What is the goal? Kasi the area is an area is a volume. Okay. So gusto niya daw kumbaga I will use a line and then find the distance here and then use the left. Hmm?
The
Mm,
center of the region bounded by a semicircle and
question.
a diameter line. Nice.
Mm,
Hmm.
mm, what? Parang, I don't think this is in the right section. Makakailangan ba siya nandito? Kasi the theorem of Pappus has nothing to do with centroids. Yung ano lang po yung the distance the centroid will travel. But how will I know that the centroid in the first place? Wala naman siyang
Hmm.
anything. Maybe I could find the area using the theorem of Pappus, but how do you? It's not necessary, I think. So, masyadong mahirap kung I will find a x.
Ano bang pagkakaintindi mo sa problem?
Find the centroid of the region, which is yung the theorem of Pappus should be finding the volume. So, ba't ganun? Mm,
How about the shape?
the shape,
Mm-mm.
pwede yung the example before the theorem of Pappus that has done it already.
Hmm.
So, why is it needed? So, as you can see sa ano po, example 4, wala man siyang ginamit. So, nahanap din naman. Tapos after that, wala naman sinabing find the use the theorem of Pappus can be found to it can be used to find the centroid, which is not
Mm-mm.
purpose kasi hinahanap niya po yung volume. So,
Mm-mm.
what does this mean? Parang mali yata po yung lagay nito. This should be here.
Ano
Mm.
lang, tawag dito, for that part, yung 35, actually, hindi siya nagkamali ng lagay dyan. Tama ka, may point ka doon. Kasi di ba, ang Pappus theorem, centroid theorem talaga siya. So, hindi siya necessary na gamitin dito sa problem na to. Pero po, pwede siyang mag-provide ng alternative and simpler approach dito sa problem na to. Sa paghanap natin ng, anong hinahanap natin dyan?
By using common sense?
Common sense.
Ayun, ma'am. So, yung I propose a simpler method which is called using your mind. So, imbis na forget about yung ano po yung nilagay niya. So I think there's a better way to find the centroid.
Mm-mm.
So let's say me semicircle. I can make straight lines. Oh wow, perfectly straight line. Wow,
Tingin.
perfectly straight line. But tingnan mo. Oh, okay. So,
Nice. Ah, ikaw gumigawa niyan?
abo,
Akala ko line.
handwritten lang po. So, Basket of Glory. So, ay, wow. Okay, so maganda rin yung semicircle. Uh,
Mm.
so, mm, I think it would be relatively simple. It should be right here. Yung nandito po siya na. So obviously it's symmetrical. So it must be on this line.
Mhm, mhm. Yes,
And
symmetric
then,
siya.
ano pa mo masasabi? So this is also symmetrical. So let's say po, kasi this is sector po na. So yung sectors are always symmetrical. So let's say this is symmetrical, this is symmetrical. So therefore this is symmetrical, this is symmetrical. Therefore this is symmetrical, this is symmetrical. Until
Mhm,
it consumes it until we cannot see the semicircle anymore. So let's say infinite mo na ganon. We can now say the centers are along this, 'di ba po? The,
mhm,
yung kung I hope kung nakita na po, kumbaga there will be an infinitely small sector which is itself symmetrical and its center of mass would be right there yung sa ano na po ng radius niya. Kumaga dito po na along here. So now let's say we can go backwards. So from those pwede natin masabi, let's say there are two sectors na ganito. The center mass of this sector, yung dalawa, is along that ano yung dito po naman yung center niya.
mhm,
So if we expand that, let's say nandito na po tayo. We have found this is true. Therefore, the center of mass is here. And then, let's say the center of mass is here, the center of mass is here. So I hope nakuha na po yung where is this is going. So,
mhm,
dito na po yung center of mass of this quarter circle and there's another center of mass this quarter circle. That leaves it must be along the midpoint of this line. The entire semi. So, I think yung sinasabi ng theorem of Pappus, I have no idea what it's going to say, but maybe similar pa din po natin i-generalize for 2D. Itong this line is moving along the center. Yung locus of those lines will produce a semicircle.
mhm,
We can say that the 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 area, kasi the area is like the two-dimensional volume. So the area is produced by the length of this times the itong distance traveled. So in this case, this distance traveled. So kung gusto po, kung ito po yung ano na, ito po na, bale ito
So,
dapat it's the length of this line times the length of this semicircle.
so ano magiging centroid mo?
Oh no, para medyo, di ba po medyo quite literally semicircular yung argument. Kasi it will give another semicircle.
Mm-mm.
Mm, actually, I don't think so.
Anong,
Kasi because this is, huh, this is suspicious.
kung iikot mo pa siya ng kalahati pa.
What if I'm looking at the wrong axis? What if ikot po natin ganito? Okay. So what if we move it along yung parang kumbaga yung queso de bola.
Mm-mm.
Parang ganito ba? Di ba po?
I see. Ah.
Okay, tapos magiging sphere siya eventually. Kasi yung of course, before kainin, it's a sphere, yung queso de bola. So, okay,
Mhm.
so, the sphere, the volume of the sphere is, oh wow, ang nga na. So the volume of the sphere using the theorem of Pappus is this times that yung ano yung movement niya. So siguro pwede makalculate yan.
Yes, of
I think yun
course.
po yung I think yun ba yung ano na? Yun ba yung hinihingi na?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say V sphere. Paano ba? How do I draw a sphere? Kasi parang circle po na, pero parang may ganun. Paano kaya? Uh, wow. Okay, so may three-dimensional object. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi ano ba yung ano? 4/3 pi r 4/3 pi r square pi r cube na.
No. Ano po yan? Ano po yun ulit?
Um, mm,
Volume ng sphere.
ano ba?
4/3 pi r cube. Tama po yan.
Kasi I'm starting to think, yeah, and you know why, hindi yata po, it's obvious na hindi po nandito right directly in the center. Kasi quite literally isipin niyo po, kung i-split ko to, uh,
Mhm.
this mass is obviously smaller than this mass. Kasi let's say kumaga, I can inscribe this in a rectangle. This long, this long, it's obviously shorter than this one. Pero
Mhm.
they're the same, ano po na, width. So clearly, I think it's not really a rigorous proof, pero clearly yung this side is a little smaller because I can just shift it downwards. Tapos then clearly you can see po na inscribed siya. So it's impossible na it's smack in the center. Hindi pa pwede yun yung center of mass. So 4/3 pi r cube na. It can't be in the center, so there must be a mathematical derivation for this. So, ito naman yung area siguro nitong semicircle. 1/2 pi r squared.
Yes, tama.
Okay, so therefore, so I can see where this is going. So, ano po na? Ano yan? The 1/2 pi r squared, I can take this, and then I can determine the distance the centroid has traveled. And for that, if I can know the distance the centroid has traveled, divide by 2 pi, I can find the exact point yata po na. Siguro po. On the,
Pwede, try natin.
oh, that would be crazy. So, but that's good. So, mm, what should I call it? Ano sasabihin ko po dito? Distance? D.
Pwedeng D.
4/3 pi r cube. It's getting increasingly harder to write. Parang bumabagal pa yung ano ko.
Hindi
Parang
ba sa memory?
before po okay lang naman. Di ba? Pag minsan naman po ano, it's okay. It's completely fine. Okay, so this is strange. So 1/2 na. 8/3?
Tulungan ko po.
This is
8
rather
over 3.
nawa. That wouldn't make sense kasi that's too much. It's that's not a point on the semicircle anymore. But it's a convex. It's a convex surface. It must be somewhere inside.
Sobra to. 8R to eh, over 3. Kasi,
Okay, wait. Alam ko na mo. Kasi that's not the one I need to find. This is equal to 2 pi something po na. I already know po yung the the goal. So let's say I can find the distance. That's a circumference of a circle. So I know this is the center and I know the distance, the circumference. So 2 pi
Mhm.
r, so I can find the length of the radius. So I can find the length of this. So I can find the point. Tadan! Okay. So I found it, yung ano na po, logic. So it's
Patingin ng solution.
2 pi, ano kaya, y? Sige, y. 2 pi y. So this is 8 thirds r.
Or,
Y would be 4 thirds pi. 3 pi? Ah?
mhm.
3 pierds. So, ano po yung ano niya?
Saan napunta si R?
This is it? I think this is it. So the point is here. So where this is 4 thirds pi.
Nasaan si R? Nawala na lang siya ba bigla?
Yes, opo. Yun na po. So kumaga 0.
Ba't nawala si R? Ito, di ba 8/3 R ka dyan? Ba't nawala siya bigla? Yung R. Ayan. Okay, good.
Nandun siya. Ano kaya, what, I wonder what is 4/3 pi. Huh? I'm not so sure. Baka nag-ano siya, PEMDAS. Okay. Mga 0.424?
Mhm.
Not far from the center, pero mas malapit po ng konti. As I expected. So medyo, syempre may bawas na rin po. So mga siguro, it's not so far different din naman. Pero it would be very minute yung ano na, yung difference. Kung magaganito lang po yung change in mass na po na.
Mm-mm. At least, no?
It must be very small yung kailangan ng i-adjust downwards. Okay, so yun. I think that solves it. The moment with respect to line y equals negative r of the region bounded by the semicircle y equals the x-axis. Why?
37, the moment with respect,
Natapos na pala po. Wow.
with respect to the line.
Tapos na po kaya po. Hanggang 39.
Oo.
That's the point.
Oo, tapos na natin.
Beaten pa po sa 39 na. So may cliffhanger. Patapos na po yung 39. We will see next episode. So,
Mahirap daw.
sobrang year pala po ng 37, 39, kailangan pala mag-cliffhanger. So, medyo, ano ba? What's the moment ba?
The moment with respect to the line y is equal to negative r. Moment of region to, right?
Yes,
Moment of region to.
ano po yung geometrical, ano ng moment?
Mm-mm.
Ano ba siya, parang bright idea ba? Ano ba yung, what's a moment in real life?
Paano in real life? Ito na siya, moment of the region.
Ano po yung itsura niya, kumaga? What does it signify? It's what area?
Kasi pag sinabing moment, kung
What?
about a line, so, ibig
Uh,
sabihin, okay. Eh di ang mangyayari dito, ganito. Since, ano siya, moment siya ng region about yung line natin na y equals negative r. dapat makonsider natin yung definition ng moment in mechanics. Teka,
It's over. So kailangan pa lang when I have to study physics to understand mathematics.
connected sila eh. Ayan. Kailangan, ma-consider natin yung definition ng moment in mechanics. Balikan natin siya. Kasi, di ba, yung moment ng line na yon, integral siya doon sa area ng region. Which is, di ba, may distance siya of each point of the region to the given line. So, ganun lang. Ganun yung parang mangyayari.
Okay, so ginugol ko pala po, apparently daw, in real life,
Hmm.
the volume, it's a volume and it's the product of the area and some, a distance between, the distance between yung, po, yung centroid, and yung,
Mhm.
sa, yung, kumbaga ito mo, yung sa loob. So, I think maybe gagawin na lang po yung similar thing. Di ba ba? Parang yung kanina po, I think. Kasi semicircle din naman po eh. So, it should not be that different. Mm,
Hindi mo na i-compute yung parang moment niya. Compute the moment
I
about the line
don't,
y
I
is
don't
equal to
even know what
negative r.
mean. So, let's say yung lang ba. So, kasi yung ginamit ko dito? Waadina. So, y is equal to, ano ba yung 4/3 pi r cubed over 1/2 pi r squared over 2 pi. Medyo curse na nakita mo ang dalawang fraction na ganito. So, mm, this would mean this is equal to yung kanina po na 4r over 3 pi. What now? That's the question. So ano daw? That is the moment daw, ano kayang symbol moment? M. So the moment daw is
M, capital letter.
the area of the semicircle itself. So that would be 1/2 pi r squared. I don't know what I'm doing. Mm, times what? Times
One half ang gamit mo.
times ito? Or times r minus or times r plus? I'm not sure. Ano ba? Oh, wait. Let's see the moment. Okay.
Dapat kasi makompute mo muna yung symmetry niya. And then yung area. Then add. Yun sa normal process.
Okay. So the factor of how do I say that? The factor of the area of the semicircle must be it's the sum po na. So
Sum siya.
kasi it's the integral of 1 plus something, then that would mean dr, that would be r plus 4r 3 pi. Wait, ano ba sa likod
Mhm.
ng, wait lang mo, ano yung sa likod ng,
May distance ka na ba?
what's the correct formula?
Of one.
Wait, saan ba yung answer niya? Must be something, ano? Wow, tadaso, wala siya nilagay. Ayun, one na. Okay, so tama. So, tama pala yung logic. So, somehow, na reverse engineer. So, ano kaya to? 1/2 r cube na. Pi halves r cube plus 4. I've learned na lang po na ignore na lang yung mga minor, Drawing issues.
Sige,
Mm,
okay lang.
pa?
Alin? Final answer mo?
Yes, ako.
Teka, I'll check. Pi over 2. Okay, pi over 2. And then isang 4 over 3 talaga?
4/3 mo.
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, nag-simplify ka na niyan, right? Kaya naging 3. Dinivide mo sa 2. How about 4? Hindi mo ba siya di-divide sa 2?
Why?
Kasi 'di ba, ang pinanggalingan niyan is 3 pi r cube
Wala po,
plus
wala po.
4.
Wala pa po yung sinasabi niya po. It was already 2 to begin with.
Ayan, ito na siya.
Magic pa, naging 2 bigla. So,
Oo
tinakpan
nga eh.
ko po yung share ko muna. Tapos 2, tapos linig ulit. Wow, naging 2 magical. Okay, so, siguro ito na.
Tatingin ako ng... Teka, i-check ko muna yung solution. Kasi yung dulo okay na. Wait lang ha. That is 4 over 3. Ano tong line na to? In between 4 over 3 tsaka isang 2 pi. Nag-divide ka ba? San, para saan po yung line?
Ano ba? Division.
I see. Wait lang.
Or maybe, I will use the cursed notation po that has been banished from all education. The division symbol. I don't know
Yun yung...
why don't people use it and parang forgotten past na po siya.
Oo, pero ayoko din siyang nakikita.
Division symbol, why have you forsaken me? So, mm,
4r over 3 pi. Tama naman po. That's correct.
okay, para
Next,
matapos na.
1/2 pi. Okay. Okay na po itong 37. 30 minutes. Okay na po. Continue number 39 pa. Theorem of Pappus for volumes of solids of revolution. Hello? Andiyan ka pa?
Aba. Yes.
Sige pa.
Wait. So, ano?
Mm.
Actually, I don't have much ideas. So, paano ko ipoprove na? Siguro, it's the integral kasi of areas na.
Mhm.
So,
Kunin mo muna yung volume of solid revolution. Tapos, centroid
ako.
formula. Then, relate volume to centroid.
So, it's, kasi ano siya na. So, it's,
Yung,
it's the area. So, yung area
mhm.
is, let's say, ano ba? Ano, formula 2 daw. So, f of x minus, g of x
Yung ano
squared.
yun, di ba? Page 555.
Nawa, squared,
Mm-mm.
dx from A to B. Tapos, kasi it's multiplied by the, ano daw. So, ano ba yun? So, pi. Pi yung multiplier niya.
Mhm. You sure?
Yes, opo. Okay. So, pwede ko na siya ngayon i-express. I have a massive idea. So, yung master plan ko, this looks familiar. It looks like the moment of, ano po na, moment with respect to x. But it's just missing a one half. Yes, so
Mhm.
I could do it like this. 2 pi AB, one half fx g of x. Wow. So now it is just the moment. So that's just 2 pi moment of x. Ano ba yung ano na goal? 2 pi 2 pi x of a. Oh no, that's bad. Oh no. Kasi makakuha ko, I think it's possible. 2 pi mx x ay, a over a. So that would be 2 pi, ano ba yung notation niya? Y po na, a. But
Why?
that's not x of a. The question was simultaneously solved, but it added another question. Is it even correct? Mas-
Actually, yes.
But it solved the question, but it didn't solve the question. The question was to find na 2 pi x bar a, but it got 2 pi y bar a. So is it correct? It's correct, but it's also wrong.
Dapat Teka. Wait lang. Yan kasi yung ginamit mo, di ba?
Were you following me? Alam mo?
Okay. Sige. Ang ginawa ko kasi volume 2 centroid. So, sa'yo naman, ang ginamit mo, gumamit ka ng moment. Right? So, sinimulan mo siya sa volume ng solid of revolution. Then, bumaba ka sa nag-write ka ng integral. So, therefore, ang nangyari dyan, ginamitan mo siya ng symmetry and centroid. Okay. So, ang moment mo about the x-axis, kaya m sub x ka. So, ngayon, okay, nag-solve ka. Naging 2 pi m sub x. Okay. Yung volume siya, then, ang m sub x mo ngayon, moment ng region ni about the x-axis. Okay. Next. Dito naman sa may last part po, yung mismong solution na po sa huli. Ayan na po. So, pasok din po siya kasi gawa nung volume and nung centroid mo. Ah, na-relate mo naman siya. Kasi 'di ba kung iisa-isahin pa natin 'yan for the centroid, really, ang mangyayari diyan magiging centroid is equal to m sub x which is meron ka naman dito over a. So, ang mangyayari, since substitution na yan, so m sub x, your moment, is equal to the centroid times the area. So, yan na siya. Nakikita na natin ang mas malinaw. So, sa panghuli, bilang conclusion, yun yung naging parang, tawag dito, matibay nating proof. Yon, yung mga points na yon. Since Pappus theorem for volumes ang pinag-uusapan natin. And yun, yung statement na yon, um, parang it involves the volume po. Parang ganito. Yung sabi doon, ang volume natin, product siya ng A and the distance traveled nung centroid natin. So, dyan sa formula mo, may A ka naman, which is the area, and yung distance traveled naman is 2 pi and our y. So, okay na siya. Hmm. So, sa proving naman po, kung meron akong mai-sasuggest sa'yo, for ano lang, for improvement, and naririnig niyo po ba ako?
Mabo.
Okay pa. Ayan. So, dito lang naman po sa nakikita kong pagpo-prove niyo po sa inyong proof. Tama yung proof mo, okay siya para sa akin. Um, pero, there are some points po na pwede mo pang ma-improve. Halimbawa, yung sa f of x mo and g of x, parang um, maglagay ka ng note, you define them, ano ba sila, sino ba sila, sabihin mo na they are the outer, the inner radii, para maka-avoid ka ng ambiguity. Next, explain mo rin yung symmetry assumptions mo. Yung parang maging mas clear pa siya. Yung parang halimbawa, bakit yung symmetry natin, halimbawa kung anong constant man yan, bakit na-simplify siya into 2 pi ya, parang ganon. Tapos, halimbawa naman, last part, pwede kang mag-add ng mga, anong tawag dito? Like intuition, parang mga ganon. Parang i-emphasize mo, ano ba yung physical meaning ng 2 pi y, parang mga ganon po. And yung sa A, hindi na naman masyado yan. So, yan lang po. Question po or clarification?
Wala na po.
Okay po. Next meeting po, kindly be prepared na lang po for one problem lang po. Mm, ako po yung magbibigay. So, pagsamasamahin mo na lahat ng natutunan mo ngayon for, ano na ba tayo? 6.3 ba yan? 6.3, no? 557. 556 to 557. Lahat ng exercises. Kasi medyo hihirapan ko lang siya ng konting-konting-konti lang naman.
Oh no. Oh no.
Parang hindi totoo yung sinabi ko, ano? Hihirapan natin siya. Konting-konting, konti lang. Ayan. So, be prepared na lang po. Tapos, ano pa? Wait lang. Oo. Maglalagay ako ng isa pang proving. Bali, gagawin kong dalawa. Isang proving. Since proving to, ilatag mo sa akin ng ano, yung parang yung proof talaga, sunod-sunod, may label. Parang nagpe-present ka ng evidence na eto yon. Isang tingin mo lang, convince ka na. Walang tanong, walang ano. Basta pag isang tingin ko lang, okay na siya. Nagigets niyo po ba?
Ano ba? Aba.
Nagets niyo po? Yung sa part po ng proving na gusto kong makita.
Aba.
Okay. Sige po, aasahan ko po yan. So, basa-basa ka na rin ng pwede mong isupport ng mga theorem or mga definitions. Yun lang po. May tanong po or clarification before we end the meeting?
Ano ba?
Okay po. Thank you po for today. God bless po.
Ano ba? Thank you ba? Bye-bye ba?
Thank you po.